Welcome to another lecture on the English textbook. Today's lecture is on Unit 7, Hubble. First, we will go through the unit summary and then cover all the exercises step by step to help you understand the material better. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Let's get started. Summary of the lesson. The lesson highlights the importance and achievements of the Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990. Hubble was placed above Earth's atmosphere to provide a clearer view of the universe than ground-based telescopes. It has captured breathtaking images and revealed thousands of previously unseen galaxies, stars, and cosmic events. Hubble has helped scientists understand the expansion of the universe, the role of dark matter and dark energy, and the process of star and galaxy formation. It also contributed to the discovery and study of exoplanets by using the fingerprint technique to detect gases in their atmospheres, offering clues about the possibility of life beyond Earth. The telescope has shown that what seems empty in space is full of hidden wonders. Overall, the Hubble Space Telescope stands as a symbol of human curiosity and scientific progress, reshaping our understanding of the vast universe. TEC Unit 7, Hubble. Reading Comprehension. 1. Why did the cosmologists need a telescope in space well above the Earth's atmosphere? कायनात के माहिरीन को ज़मीन के माहौल से ऊपर खला में दूरबीन की ज़रूरत क्यों थी? Cosmologists needed a space telescope because the Earth's atmosphere blurs and blocks light, making stars twinkle and hiding many details. A telescope in space avoids this interference and gives a clear, sharp view of the cosmos. It allows scientists to study distant galaxies, stars, and planets with unmatched accuracy. Hubble's discoveries would not have been possible from ground-based observatories. 2. What does the author mean by the sentence, "When we look at stars, we look at history"? 2. मुसन्नफ़ का इस जुमले से क्या मतलब है? जब हम सितारों को देखते हैं तो हम तारीख़ को देखते हैं. The light from stars takes millions or billions of years to reach Earth, so we see stars as they were long ago, not as they are today. Thus, every star is a picture of the past. In other words, astronomy is like looking into a cosmic time machine. Hubble helps scientists trace the evolution of the universe through this ancient light. 3. Why will life on Earth not disturb even if our galaxy Milky Way collides with its neighboring Andromeda? Number 3, जिंदगी ज़मीन पर क्यों मुतासर नहीं होगी अगर हमारी कहकशां मिल्की वे अपनी हमसाया एंड्रोमेडा से टकरा जाए? During the collision, stars are so far apart that they will not crash into each other. Earth and the solar system will only shift to a new region of the galaxy. The galaxy's shapes may change, but life on Earth remains safe. Gravity controls the movement, preventing destructive impacts on our solar system. 4. What is the Hubble Deep Field? 4. Hubble Deep Field kya hai? The Hubble Deep Field is a long exposure image of an apparently empty patch of sky. It revealed about 10,000 hidden galaxies at various stages of evolution. This proved that the universe is far vaster than imagined. It is considered one of Hubble's most important discoveries in modern astronomy. 5. How does the formation of stars take place in star nurseries? 5. सितारों की पैदाइश star nurseryयों में किस तरह होती है? Stars form when giant clouds of gas and dust nebula collapse under their own gravity. The material heats up and nuclear fusion ignites at the core, giving birth to a star. Leftover dust often forms planets, asteroids, or comets. Thus, star nurseries are also the birthplaces of planetary systems. 6. How do scientists study the atmosphere of an exoplanet through the fingerprint technique? 6. साइंसदान fingerprint technique के जरिए exoplanet के माहौल का मुताला कैसे करते हैं? When an exoplanet transits its star, starlight passes through the planet's atmosphere. The gases absorb specific wavelengths, leaving chemical fingerprints in the spectrum. By studying these patterns, scientists detect gases like oxygen, methane, or carbon dioxide. This method may one day help to find signs of life on other planets. 7. How will you explain in astronomical terms the statement, "What you see is not always what you get"? 7. फलकियाती इस्तिलाहात में आप इस जुमले को कैसे बयान करेंगे? जो आप देखते हैं, वो हमेशा वही नहीं होता जो आप पाते हैं. In astronomy, things are not always as they appear. What seems like empty space often hides thousands of galaxies, stars, and cosmic events revealed by powerful telescopes like Hubble. This means the universe is deeper and more complex than what the naked eye shows. Appearances can be misleading in space exploration. Vocabulary and Grammar A. Find the meanings of the following idioms related to weather in proper reference source, and then match them to their exact meanings as given in column B. To brighten up, to become more cheerful, to take a shine to develop a liking for, to make hay while the sun shines, to make the most of an opportunity while it lasts. Come rain or shine, whatever the weather's situation. To chase rainbows, to pursue something that is impossible, impractical, or fanciful. To save for a rainy day, to put something aside for a future time when it might be needed. To wait for a raindrop in the drought, to wait/hope for something which has no chance of happening. Right as rain, fit and healthy. To take a rain check, to refuse an offer while demonstrating enthusiasm to accept it in the future. Into each life, some rain must fall. Everyone must experience difficulties at some time or another. To rain on someone's parade, to spoil someone's plans, to prevent someone from enjoying themselves. It never rains, but it pours. Misfortunes seem to either all come in succession or all come at once. Raining cats and dogs, raining heavily. Dry spell, a period in which someone is having less success than usual. Windfall, a large amount of money which is unexpectedly received. To shoot the breeze, to have a casual conversation, to get wind of something, to hear a rumor about something, to know which way the wind blows, to understand what is happening in changing circumstances and be able to anticipate what will happen in the future. To sail close to the wind, to verge on the limit of what is acceptable, allowed, or honorable, to throw caution to the wind, to take a great risk, to behave recklessly. Cloud storm on the horizon, an approaching problem. Every dark cloud has a silver lining. Every difficult situation has a more comforting and hopeful aspect. Cloud 9, a state of great happiness. To have your head in the clouds, to have unrealistic, impractical, or fanciful ideas. I don't have the foggiest idea, to have no knowledge or understanding of something. C. Read the following prefixes and add them to the relevant word given B to make a new word. Also write the new meaning in the given space. Word formation and meanings. Word, new word meaning satisfied, dissatisfied, not satisfied, spell, misspell, spell incorrectly, comparable, incomparable, not comparable, related, unrelated, not related, pay, repay, payback, sense, nonsense, something that makes no sense, script, rescript, write or issue again, merge, submerge, immerse, bacterial, antibacterial, against bacteria. D. Combine the following sentences by placing nouns and noun phrases in apposition. Before we solve the exercise, let us first learn what nouns and noun phrases in apposition are. What is apposition? Apposition means two names side by side for the same person or thing. First name equals main noun. Second name equals extra information, noun or noun phrase. Nouns in apposition. When the extra information is just one noun. My father, a teacher, is very kind. Jinnah, a leader, is called Quaid Azam. Here, a teacher and a leader are nouns. Noun phrases in apposition. When the extra information is a group of words, noun phrase. My father, a very kind and hardworking teacher, is very kind. Jinnah, the great leader of Pakistan, is called Quaid Azam. Here, a very kind and hardworking teacher and the great leader of Pakistan are noun phrases. So apposition can be made with both nouns and noun phrases. It always gives extra information about the same person or thing. 1. The first Prime Minister of Pakistan, Liaquat Ali Khan, was assassinated in 1951. 2. The river Indus, Pakistan's longest river, has an annual flow of about 243 cubic kilometers. 3. Ustad Ahmad Lahori, the chief architect of the Taj Mahal in Agra, India, hailed from Lahore. 4. John Kennedy, a popular U.S. president, was known for his eloquent and inspirational speeches. 5. The first country to recognize Pakistan, the Islamic Republic of Iran, is our neighboring country. 6. My uncle's car, a sporty red convertible with bucket seats, is the envy of my friends. 7. The chief surgeon, an expert in organ transplant procedures, took his daughter on a hospital tour. 8. The problem, you're not coming on time, delayed the entire program. 9. The worry, the question of whom we should invite, troubles me too much. 10. Hamad, my younger brother, is very dear to me.